In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Bloomberg financial and market news app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So first, I'll uninstall it to show you the process. Now to install Bloomberg app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. Open it. And from here, search for your app here. First, you need to log in with your Gmail account if you're on Android. And then you should see a search bar here. If you don't see this search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate search. Then search for your app. So I just search for Bloomberg. And then I'll run my search. So Bloomberg is here. I'll run the search. And here we have the app. To know that is the right app, make sure it is this Bloomberg Finance Market News, and it must be from Bloomberg LPCM. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.3 with over 78,000 reviews, and it has a massive 10 million plus downloads. The current file size is around 44 MBs, and this is the simple logo for Bloomberg. If you see all these details, you have the right app. To get it, tap on install. And this will download the latest version of Bloomberg app and then install it on your smartphone. So once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here or go back to your apps. And now you should find it here. So if you tap on it, this is the opening logo. Go ahead, sign in to start reading the latest news on finance. So that's how you can install the right Bloomberg app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.